My name is Sergi Galano, and my main goal with my label Flamasurf is to build the most sustainable surfboards. In 2009, I built my first wooden surfboard with agave wood. I really enjoyed the project, but having to fiberglass the board at the end seemed to ruin the environmental factor. Then I got to discover a magnificent wood that was Paulownia. It's the fastest growing timber tree since it can grow up to 2 centimeters per day. It grows in plain and hilly regions, excellent for soil recovery and fertilization. It captures 10 times more carbon dioxide than any other tree known so far. But the most important to me was to know that Paulownia was water resistant. That amazed me. It was saltwater resistant. Not only this, but it was strong, it was flexible, and oh my god, it was very light. I was pleased that TreeSource asked me to build them a surfboard as part of his project for climate change. I know Paulownia has a bright future, not only in the surfing industry, but in many other industries. It's renewable, it contributes to climate protection, and it minimized the ecological footprint. No wonder they call it the new gold.